Look at the duct tape. Is that normal?
Oh shit, I did not see that.
What the fuck is...
Oh shit.
What is this? Ah, man. This is unfortunate. What's going on, man?
Working on the 37 today, man.
The
We're
37?
doing VQ shit today, boss.
What are we doing? VQ shit?
VQ shit. About to pull
VQ shit. Yeah, we need to get to the spark plugs.
Sparky plugs.
So we gotta pull off this plenum. Intake's gotta come off. Just to get to the valley. Here's the coil packs right here. You can see them. So all these hoses gotta come. They gotta go. Here she is, man.
And we gotta do the front.
Got the fender on. Side mirrors are on. Door cards are on. I don't know if I took the video earlier, but everything was packed in here. Everything was packed in here. Got it out. Got a bunch of extra bolts, screws, you know, all the sorts. Miscellaneous parts in here. Got the taillights on. Definitely gives it a good, nice look. Nice look. Wheels need a little cleaning. Tires are decent. Little bit of rust bottom of the rocker, but not too bad. Not too bad for a Minnesota car. Tristan fucking melted the door.
Hey man, you should. I don't know if you.
Yeah, see that?
The dent before. They seen the dent before.
The dent's out, but
the dent's out, but we left a little love spot, you know.
Man, we'll figure it out. This door, we gotta figure out the door. Ah, shit. Door card's on. You know, we're just piecing it piece by piece. Step by step. Man, I just love this interior. That logo. Then this lights up too. Things decent.
Valve covers cooked. Oh, lovely.
We working on the G37. Just trying to see what we're gonna need, what parts we're gonna need, what we don't need. There's no front axles on both sides.
And we just realized that.
So that means what?
Rear wheel drive.
Rear wheel drive, boys.
You know, a typical VQ owner, you know.
Oh yeah, you gotta lay some tire, lay down some rubber.
Lay some little tread, you know, and trumpet at the same time.
Yeah, well, speaking of trumpet, what do you think we should do? Cut the mufflers?
Oh, brother.
Cut the mufflers, join the VQ boys?
What'd you discover in your findings?
Is that an injector?
Oh no.
No, that's a
fucking valve cover.
Look at the duct tape. Is that normal?
Oh shit, I did not see that.
What the fuck is...
Oh shit.
What is this?
Because it didn't fit? Or it's broke?
It broke.
And you taped it together. That's what it looks like.
Oh, dude, you got
That's not gonna start. That's gonna be I don't know. See how this one is.
I'm glad. No duct tape on them. Fuck. What's up with that?
Looks like a fairly newer one.
That one's decent. That first one though,
Bad.
shit, bro. If that's how it's looking, bro, I don't want to look at the spark plugs.
I couldn't even get the socket in there.
The spark plugs are gonna be a bitch if that's how it is.
Not bad.
You already know, hey, spark plug, you just put it in.
Yeah, they're $8.
They're good though. They just need a cleaning, a wire brush, like a little wire brush. And I can.
So
Make sure you get sandpaper in between the two.
They're clean.
the tips are good.
Yeah, tips are good. That's what you really mainly look for. And if you clean this up,
It'll be good.
it'll be good. And I'm guessing this one's like this, the rest of them are like this, but we're still gonna go look.
And they're Bosch.
Yeah, they're Bosch. They're not Brett. I'd rather have NGKs, but
At least they're name brand. So that was just one. This side was the one with the bad coil pack. So we'll see how that goes.
we'll slap that bitch right back.
What y'all got going?
Fixing the alternator.
Alternator?
Poopinator.
Where's the old one?
The old one's in.
This one don't even spin. Seas. Got one from the junkyard. Alternator, fans, radiator. Hopefully there's no leaks in it. Belt, cold support, or whatever the fuck this is. This ain't gonna. I don't even know. Hopefully we get it together. Belts on, alternators on.
How about that? She's fucking dead.
We need some power, huh?
We need some juice. Well,
We're still the mechanic.
that's how you do it if you don't feel like changing batteries.
Touch the battery to the battery.
Yep.
Go.
Go, we're leaking.
Start the car, gang. You got the wipers going. I think that's an exhaust, bro. That's something exhaust rattling. This looks good, man. Here are the old intakes off the G37. Had like a tear. I don't know if y'all can see that. This one I didn't even have the front cover. Had a tear too, right there in the boot. A few things we gotta button up, man. But we got the new intakes on, new MAF sensors, new tubes with no tears. Hopefully, this thing ain't throwing any codes for MAF sensor. Got the coolant in there, reservoir, hose. Just not starting right now, but we just waiting, charging it up. Battery's dead. We're about to see. You can kind of hear the leak. It's shaking. I think it's still misfiring. On today's adventure of fixing the Jeep. Got this bitch started. Bitch stalled. Won't seem to start back up.
Smoking.
It's all good in that. Ah, man. This is unfortunate.